Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited about that which things I'm going to talk about, that how to manage our money. And we all women always want to buy a gold jewelry. We all women love jewelry. In fact, I also love jewelry, but in the little amount. I'm not all beloved about the more amount of jewelry. I'm just simply I just want to wear a simple jewelry, you can say. But the majority of women, you can say all women, are love jewelry, to put jewelry in the boxes in their almirah, and they want to spend money on their jewelry, not to spend their money in making some investment, making some SIP, you can say mutual funds, all about this. They are interested in making money in their jewelry, and so that they only think about jewelry, and they can afford easily jewelry. And even I was that, and I used to think about the jewelry all time, and I get mad about it. But at the point I realized, if I buy a jewelry, one jewelry, and then I began to think about learn another jewelry, then another, and it is repetition all about jewelry. And then always my mind reminding me, buy a one jewelry, buy a ring, buy a necklace, all about this. Then I researched that, and I think that no, it's not right choice for me. I am a educated girl, and I can't waste my time to figuring out what type of jewelry is suited for me, and what type of jewelry I can affordable to buy it. But then I started to learn new things, and as I learned, I found that this is the real jewelry for me, and I think this is okay for me. And if I am able to understand to people that no, jewelry is not important, that time is so superior for me. And I want to know that, I want to explain myself in their society, that they made a lots of jewelry and I have a no. Really, I have some little bit. I can't say I totally wrong, but in majority of cases, with other women, I have a less than jewelry. I have a little amount of money, and you can say a little amount of jewelry also. Even I started to saving my money. Something, I am not a working woman. I am a homemaker, and my husband have a government job. But still, I make some savings, and I put them these all saving in mutual fund. But I know that this is some little bit good strategy. If you have a money, you can't this money is not growing, you can put it in the debt fund and mutual fund always. And this is the right choice, some little bit for the for the eventual woman. And eventually you can say the right woman. So this type of thinking I made for me, and I realized that knowledge and learning can't beat the jewelry. This is true. And majority of female and people are always invest their money in the jewelry. And I'm not against it, I didn't like it. I have a jewelry some bit, and like but I didn't like it. So that I realized that if you want something, and don't take a loan, by the way. I learned new things today, that don't take a loan. If you want you can say car, then invest your money in real estate. That real estate provide you money for fulfilling your desire. As you can say, buying a car, this is your desire. This type of financial planning is good for every woman, you can say every husband. But as majority of cases, we didn't we don't think about it. We think only the small number of amount. Small. We always want to we always we always want to expend our money in unnecessary things. But I realized this is wrong strategy. You have to spend your money. You have to spend your money in your progress, in your real growth, in your health, and you can say in real estate asset. You have to make your own asset. This is the real asset, real quality for you as you build, and it will take a time, and for that you have to keep a patience. Okay, thank you so much.